Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 4.3. Sorry, 4.3. That question number 1. Solve the following equation. First question, that A part. Just wait. A part 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. This is the question. So first of all, this thing we will interchange by equal. That means here will become, so 2y is equal to 37 upon 2. Yeah, before the is equal to, this is the in plus, so after the is equal to, that will be in minus 5 upon 2. So 2y is equal to, both denominator are same, so directly we can subtract 32 upon 2. 2 16 ja 32. 2 16 ja 32. So y is equal to 16. That here is multiply, and then this one will goes to in divide, so that will be 2 8 ja, so y is equal to 8. This is the answer. B part, that 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. So 5t is equal to 10 minus 28. When it will be interchanged, then sign will be also changed. So t is equal to, minus is more than plus, so that subtraction is 18, and then 5 also will come like this. This is the answer. C part, a upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. So a upon 5 is equal to 2 minus 3. When will be interchange the number, then sign will also change. So a is equal to, that minus 1, and this is given in divide, so this side will go in multiply. So a is equal to minus 5 1 ja 5. D part, q upon 4 plus 7. Q upon 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. So q upon 4 is equal to 5 minus 7 by interchange. So q is equal to minus 2 multiply 4. So q is equal to 4 2 ja 8. That minus plus minus. E part, 5 upon x upon 2 is equal to minus 10. So x is equal to minus 10 multiply. That will be goes, and reciprocal also will be that 5 2 ja. So x is equal to minus plus minus 2 2 ja 4. F part, 5 upon 2x F part you can do very easily. E and F part both are the same. See the G part, 7m plus 19 upon 2 is equal to 13. So 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 upon 2. So 7m is equal to, when you will be subtract that thing, that will be 13 2 ja 26 minus 19 upon 2. So m is equal to 26 less 19, that will be 7 upon 2 multiply 7 also, that one 7. So 7 1 ja 7. So m is equal to 1. M is equal to 1. G part done. H part you can do. I part 3l upon 2. 3l upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 3. So L is equal to 2 upon 3 multiply 2 upon 3. That will be also by interchange. So 2 cancel by, sorry, not, it can't be cancel. L is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9. I J part also see that J part 2b upon 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. So 2b upon 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. So b is equal to 3 5 8, multiply, that will be goes this side, so that will be 2 upon 2 4 ja. So b is equal to 4 3 ja 12. And then question number 2, solve the following equation. Same thing is that a 2 bracket x plus 4 is equal to 12. So x plus 4 is equal to 12 upon 2, that will be goes that side because it's given in multiply. So 2 6 ja. So x is equal to 6 minus 4, this will goes in minus, so x is equal to 2. B part you can do very easily. See that B part also. B part 3 bracket n minus 5 is equal to 21. So n minus 5 is equal to 21 upon 3 3 7 ja. So n is equal to 7 plus that will be 5. So n is equal to 12. C part you can do. D part minus 4 2 plus x is equal to 8. So 2 plus x is equal to 8 upon minus 4. 4 2 ja 8. So x is equal to minus 2. That is minus 2. And then this one also in minus 2. So x is equal to minus 4. D. E part 4 bracket 2 minus x is equal to 8. So 2 minus x is equal to 8 upon 4. 2 4 2 ja 8. So minus x is equal to 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. So that will be 0. So minus x is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 0. We can't write minus x. So that will be changed sign. So that sign also will be changed. So 0 has no sign. That is the second question. Third question. Same thing. Solve the following equation. A part. So 4 is equal to 5p minus 2. So all the after equal thing we will write before the equal. Like this. And this thing we will write after equal to. So p minus 2 is equal to 4 upon 5. So p is equal to 4 upon 5 minus 2 by LCM, that will be 5 to 10 minus 6 upon 5. Minus 5, 4 upon 5 minus 2 is equal to minus 6 upon 5. Because 5 to 10, 10 minus 4 6. And then B part also we will do minus 4 is equal to 5 bracket p minus 2. So 5 p minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So p minus 2 is equal to minus 4 upon 5. So p is equal to minus 4 upon 5 plus 2, that will be. So 5 to 10, that will be p is equal to 6 upon 5 in plus. And then B part has done. C part. Just a minute. C part. Yeah, C part. That 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 bracket t plus 2. So 4 plus 3 bracket t plus 2 is equal to 16. We can write, first of all we will write like this. So 3 bracket t plus 2 is equal to 16 minus 4. So t plus 2 is equal to 16 less 4, 12, and this one will go here, 3 4 are 12. So t is equal to 4 minus 2, this will be interchange. So t is equal to 2. C part, and then D part and C part both are the same. E part, 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 bracket m minus 6. So first of all, 16 plus 4 bracket m minus 6 is equal to 0. So 4 bracket m minus 6 is equal to minus 16. This will be interchanged. So m minus 6 is equal to minus 16 upon 4. 4 4 are 16. So m is equal to minus 4, that is plus 6. So m is equal to, that will be 2 answer. And then fourth, A part. Construct 3 equation starting with x is equal to 2, that will become, answer will come x is equal to 2. So you can write like this, x minus 1 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2 will become, that is a first equation. First equation. Second equation. So here you can write x plus 7 is equal to 9. So 9 less 7, 2. And then B part, solution. Now x is equal to, that 3 equations are there. So third equation, so that will be 2x plus 3, or you can write 2x is equal to, that answer is 2, 4, 2 4, 2 2 is 4. Here also first equation, give 3 equations starting with x is equal to minus 2. So first equation, so that will be minus 2. So 2x is equal to minus 4. Second equation, so that will be here x plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Third equation, you can write any of more equations, x plus 4 is equal to minus 6, that will be okay.